Assalamialaikum. How have you been? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah, and I am also Alhamdulillah. Today I will teach you how can you introduce yourself in front of people. Suppose you are in a formal place or you are in a classroom and teacher asks you to introduce yourself. Then what we will do? So, without wasting your time, let's first introduce myself. Assalamualaikum. It's been a great pleasure for me to introduce myself in front of all of you. I am Sadekur Rahman and I have a nickname. My nickname is Tushar and you can call me Tushar. I am about more than 20. I am a student. I study Gurdal Government College at the Department of English. And I am from Mymensingh district at Nandal Thana, and I live in Nandal with my family. And I am from a nuclear family. My family member consists of 3 people. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker. I like so much eating, I like gaming, I like watching television, watching cartoon, and nowadays I am liking to making video. And I do not like a dishonest man, a liar person who always talk liar and something etc. who are not good. I do not like them. I have a goal. I want to be a teacher, and this is my one and only goal. I want to be a teacher, and nowadays I am hoping that I'll be an YouTuber. Okay, so pray for me. This is for today. Hope to see you again with another day with another topic. This is for today. Khuda Hafiz. So guys, this is the section of introduce how to introduce yourself. So I will explain it in my next video how to introduce yourself properly. At first you have to say your name, then at first you have to greeting yourself, then you have to say your name, then how old are you and what is your work, where are you from, about your family, about your like or dislike, about your interest, about your goal. And this is the process of introducing someone. So we have to learn, and I'm also learning. If I have mistakes, then write in the comment box and I will do better, and inshallah. So in my next video I will explain it. So this is for today. See you in my next video. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.